I used to think Krisp was basically just a noise cancellation app. Turn it on, remove the fan noise, and that's it. But Krisp has changed quite a bit. Now it can clean up your calls, transcribe meetings, create notes, record conversations, and even help with accents. So I wanted to see if it's actually useful beyond the noise cancellation. The first thing I tried was the feature Krisp is best known for. I turned on the microphone and started making some background noise, keyboard typing, a fan running, and people talking nearby. With Krisp enabled, the background noise gets filtered in real time, while the main speaker's voice stays in focus. It works at the audio level, so you can use it with apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. And honestly, this is still the part of Krisp I find easiest to appreciate. But then I tried the AI meeting assistant. And instead of sitting there typing notes while someone is talking, Krisp can record the meeting, create a transcript, summarize the conversation, and pull out action items. You can also ask questions about the meeting afterward using AI chat. So imagine finishing a 1-hour meeting, and instead of going through the entire recording, you can quickly look at the important points and tasks. For work, that's probably more useful than the noise cancellation itself. There's another feature I wasn't expecting to use much: AI accent conversion. Krisp can convert accents in real time to make conversations easier to understand. The current core plan supports speaker-side conversion for accents including Indian, Filipino, South African, and Latin American accents, with usage limits depending on the plan. I wouldn't use this for every conversation, but for international teams or customer calls, I can definitely see why someone would want it. Now, there are a couple of things I don't love. Krisp's free experience is mainly a 7-day trial of premium features. After that, the core plan is currently $16 per user monthly, or $8 per user monthly when billed annually. And if you're only looking for basic noise cancellation, paying for all the meeting features might not make much sense. There's also still some setup involved. You need to select Krisp as your microphone and speaker inside your meeting app before everything works properly. After looking at everything, if you take a lot of online meetings, work remotely, record calls, or deal with noisy environments, Krisp is genuinely useful. But if you just want to remove a little background noise from your microphone, there are simpler options. For me, the biggest upgrade is that Krisp has gone from noise cancellation software to an actual AI meeting assistant. And that's what makes it worth trying in 2026.